And I want to show you what my refrigerator looks like. I want to show you what my fruit baskets look like and show you what's in the kitchen. We just finished up with Jeff, which we're going to go over and see his kitchen. Hey guys, welcome everyone to another great episode of the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body where we eat to heal. I'm Jamie Graf, and as you know it, I'm here for you. This is where we take somebody, we feed them for 8 weeks, the Bib Lifestyle, and we watch how they transform throughout those 8 weeks. And on this episode, it's going to be all about what's in the kitchen. So, my studio is my kitchen. This is where I live every day. This is where I put my food together. And here we are at the end of the week. We just finished up with Jeff, which we're going to go over and see his kitchen. That's going to be the surprise. He has no idea what this episode is all about. So we're going to go see what's in his kitchen. What does his refrigerator look like? His pantry, his cabinets. We're going to see how he's doing. He is on the end of the 5th week of taking the Bib Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. And you've already seen in the last couple episodes, he's having great results. He's feeling incredible. He's looking younger. His skin is looking better. The weight is dropping off. He's having a more mental, emotional, physical connection with his body, his mind, and the food, which is what the Bib Lifestyle is all about. It teaches you how necessary the nutrients are for the body, and as you begin to eat those foods, you feel that chemical connection. You feel that change happening inside you. So it's the end of the week, and I want to show you what my refrigerator looks like. I want to show you what my fruit baskets look like, and show you what's in the kitchen. So follow me. All right, so come with me. Let's start in the kitchen and see what we've got. So I did just have a birthday, so I've got some wonderful birthday balloons for my wife. We've got one of the great pieces of kitchen equipment that everybody should have, a food processor, right? Right down there. Of course, all the root powders. And we're just normal people. We live a normal life, but we live the Bib Lifestyle life, the 85-15. This is where I store all my fruits. You could see they're gone because it's the end of the week, so everything should be finished. There still is a few things left, but we'll see those in the fridge. As we progress into the kitchen here, I've got a root powder steeping because I'm going to drink that. Of course, we have dirty dishes. We live a normal life. Inside our pantry, what do? We've got dishes. We've got containers. We live the Bib Lifestyle. It's all about the Cambro containers. These are the bowls the durable, heavy duty. 2 other great kitchen appliances. We've got our kettle right here, which I want to get something different that just goes on the stove. And of course, the incredible Vitamix that just does all the power. Do we keep anything in here? Yeah, we've got some teas, some different root powders, some different herbs. Of course, we got sugar. My wife loves to bake. And you can enjoy those things throughout the Bib Lifestyle. You're not giving up everything. It's an 85-15. When you're at home, you live the Bib Lifestyle, and then you treat yourself. You go out places to enjoy other things. Let's take a look inside let's look at our beautiful refrigerator. Of course, we got pictures on the refrigerator. Who doesn't have pictures of their family, friends, and loved ones? We'll go into the freezer. What do we keep in there? We just keep ice, ginger, because we like to buy organic ginger in quantity, so you want to keep that frozen. We've got some frozen blueberries, cherries, some edamame, but that's about it. Then we keep all of these bags for all of our rubbish, all of our waste of our fruit cutting and our vegetable cutting. And there's the little bowl we keep in it. In the refrigerator, we've got condiments, we've got sauces, of course. We keep our deodorant in the refrigerator because it's genuine, it's all natural deodorant, so it melts faster. So we keep it in the refrigerator so it just lasts longer. And this is what else we've got left in the refrigerator. As I said, it's the end of the week. So you shouldn't really have anything left in your refrigerator as long as you're buying healthy things, because they do go bad over time. So the purpose is to eat the food, let it go through the digestive process, and then boom, you go back and you order your grocery list again that you'll get from the book, My Health, My Story, How I Discovered the Bib Lifestyle. Go to www.biblife.com and pick that book up today. And here we have our snack rack with all of our grains right here, different amaranth, pearl barley, sorghum. Then we go down to our dried fruits. We've got golden raisins, dried cherries, Turkish figs, apricots, down into our nuts right here, pistachios, Brazil nuts, pine nuts, and etc. Down to our seeds, Ajwan seed, hemp seed, black cumin seed, and then we have more oats, dried fruits, bee pollen, mustard seed. The list goes on. And then, of course, we've got our great handy-dandy bean rack as well down here with all of our different variety of beans. And this is how you truly live the Bib lifestyle. And it didn't start like this. Let me show you guys something very interesting. Let's take a look at all these jars right here. Do you know where all these jars came from? All the salads that I ate from these artichokes. Look at this. These artichokes, because I love artichokes. I finished so many salads and so many jars that's where all these jars came from. And it all started with these little jars right here. Because I'm a big peanut butter fanatic, so it started with little jars like this, and it evolved into what we're living today with the Bib lifestyle. So we are going to shoot on over to Jeff Blue's house. We're going to take a look inside his refrigerator, and we're going to see what's in his kitchen. So stay tuned, because you want to see what he's got hiding in his pantries. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're here at Jeff's house. We're going to go see if Jeff's home, which I believe he is, and we're going to go see what's in his kitchen. Let's go check it out.
What do you want?
Oh, hey, what's happening, Jeff? How you doing?
Hey.
Hey,
I thought you were somebody else.
Well, I hope they're happy to see me. So here, we are on week number 5, week number 5, right? Episode number 10.
Okay.
Am I getting that right? I believe so. And we want to go surprise the people out there and show them what's in your kitchen.
I'm surprised.
Let's go check it out.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so we're here at Jeff's refrigerator. We're going to see what he's got inside after 5 weeks of living the Bib lifestyle, see what he's learned, see what he hasn't learned, what he's cheating with, or if he's sticking to it. Let's see. Oh.
Okay, here you go.
All right, let's check it out. So we got some wine, of course. That's what we had in our refrigerator as well.
Avocado. I got apple cider.
Some good dressing. Still got some fruit bowl and a salad left for today.
That was from today.
Yeah.
I was in a rush. I mixed this a little bit with the beet juice.
Excellent.
And then just
Look at
have
that. Some extra
vegetables
celery,
which were
some
left over. I haven't
vegetables.
had any cheese. That was from a long time ago. Haven't touched any of that. Carrots, vegetables. And I've got ginger. I've got guacamole. This is for the dogs. And I have, what do you call it? Ahi, wasabi poke.
Poke.
Pure
Nice.
protein.
Look at
Nothing.
that. So here we are, surprising Jeff in his kitchen. Now, Jeff, what are some of the things that you would have had in there prior to the Bib lifestyle?
That's a good question. What would I have had in here? Probably meat, a lot of deli stuff.
A lot of deli stuff.
Cheese. I would have been eating the cheese.
Yeah.
I don't need these in my ears. And what else? Turkey. I mean, that pretty much no greens probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, more probably just meat.
Okay. All right. Now, do you miss it?
I don't miss the deli meat so much. I miss steak every so often.
Yeah.
I would have had chicken in there.
Yeah.
I don't really miss that so much.
Okay. That's good to hear.
Now, you gonna check my freezer? Because that's the...
let's check the freezer. Let's see what's in the freezer as well.
I'm curious to see what's in the freezer as well. All right.
All right.
So it's all just this stuff. I have blueberries.
Lots of frozen berries, which we had as well.
And nothing so I have the guacamole, but all
Guacamole.
this stuff was in there. This was a lasagna, which I've had from
Prior
before.
to?
Chicken, some protein burger stuff, and just chicken and beef, and that's for the dogs.
And there we have it.
So really pretty healthy, I think.
Being pretty healthy. So after 5 weeks of being on the Bib lifestyle, you're still feeling good, you're still feeling content,
Yeah.
with it, still getting results. I can see a difference in your face. You're looking, your tone is balanced out, your skin tone is balanced out. You're looking healthier, you're looking more alive from when I first started filming with you. I'm sure that you guys could probably see that at home as well. Are you seeing it? Are you noticing that yourself?
I definitely feel leaner. I'm down to 182 now.
Yeah, and we
in
started
the
at
morning.
what?
191.
191, so that's a
And-
good 10 pounds in 5 weeks, which is a healthy way to lose weight. 2 pounds a week is a very healthy weight. And again, that's just off food. You had mentioned last week, you're barely exercising.
I haven't been able to work out at all. I've been so busy.
As much as I've been wanting to get up here and do the bib stick with them, we've only been able to do that maybe 3 or 4 times as well. We were planning on getting 3 times a week, but Jeff has just had a busy schedule and a lot of things that were unplanned that happened to himself and is going on in his life that has directed us around that. But, anything else you could tell the rest of the people out there that you're feeling right now, or anything that has hit home to help you get through all of this stuff that you're dealing with?
I went to an event last night and I had salad, and but that's probably because most of the other food sucked. It didn't look very good, but I did stick to the salad. I had a couple chips because they had, and I was like, oh, this is, but I was starving. I hadn't eaten all day. And so I waited and I came home and I had the salad that you made.
The salad, yeah, which had a lot of cabbage.
Which I didn't like.
He doesn't like. And it was some organic cabbage, very thick, crispy cabbage, yeah.
Was not very good.
Well, Jeff, I want to thank you for letting us come into your kitchen and see what's in your fridge. We showed our fridge earlier at the house and showed you what it looks like at the end of the week after living the Bib Lifestyle. We're going to come back. We still have 3 more weeks to go with the Bib Lifestyle Challenge with Jeff, the Hollywood music executive, full Bib Meal Lifestyle Challenge. And in these next couple weeks, he's going to lose some more weight. He's going to look even better. He's going to feel better. And we're going to show you guys the beginning and end results. Thanks again for having us in your kitchen. And always remember, for all of you guys out there,
be your best body.